Hi, I'm Casey Capper with Argonaut Wine and Liquor. I'm here with Mike Henderson from the Colton Gray, and today we're going to be making a cocktail using Cruisin' 9, which is a spiced rum with 9 different botanicals, which is interesting because normally on its own, it's just a phenomenal spirit as it is. With so many botanicals, so many things going on. It's a superb product, and I'm interested to see what kind of cocktail we're going to make with it.
Yeah, Cruisin' 9 is a great spiced rum. It's, like you said, it's got the 9 different botanicals infused. Definitely has some vanilla notes to it. But today we're going to make a cocktail called the StCroixSidecar. It's going to be Cruisin' 9, orange curacao, lemon, and a little bit of absinthe. So we're going to start actually by prepping our glasses today. We're going to rinse these with some absinthe and then chill our glasses. So you can actually help me with this. We're going to pour just a little bit of absinthe into each glass. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to coat the inside. This is called doing a wash. We're just going to rinse the inside of the glass so you can just take it, kind of swirl it around the inside, just enough to coat the inside of the glass, leaving just a small amount in the bottom. And we're just going to chill these glasses with some ice, and kind of set these to the side.
And you did the wash with the absinthe just to give it the anise tones without overpowering it?
Exactly. Absinthe is a pretty strong ingredient. So for something like this, all we're really looking for is just a small note to be kind of a exclamation point at the end of the cocktail, and just coating the inside of the glass is completely sufficient to kind of get that into the cocktail. So we'll set these to the side. Next we'll start building our cocktail. We're going to start with 1.5 ounces Cruisin' 9.
Which is available at Argonaut for $13.99.
Next we're going to use 1.5 ounces of orange curacao. Now, orange curacao is similar to, say, triple sec, but it's not quite as sharp. It's a little bit milder. It's got some more orange to it.
It looks more viscous, too. It looks heavier.
It's a little bit, you can even tell by the color, it's got a richer character to it. Next, we're going to do 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Always important to squeeze fresh lemon. What you see in the little plastic bottles is kind of an adapted version of lemon juice. It doesn't beat the real thing, so whenever possible, use fresh lemon.
And always measure, too. I see that you...
Yeah, with cocktails, you know, in the bars, you're seeing the return of bartenders using a jigger. And mainly it's because we're using really strong ingredients in our cocktails. You know, here we're using spiced rum, orange curacao, lemon, absinthe. It's really important to make sure that you're putting those components into your cocktail in the right proportion so that all those flavors balance out nicely. If you go 1/4 ounce in the wrong direction on anything, it can really throw the balance of a cocktail. So you want to make sure that things are nicely balanced and so that you're consistent, so that you're making the cocktail the same every time by jigger. So. Next, we're just going to add some ice to these and shake. You want to help me shake in this one?
Sure.
Shake that as hard as you can for about 10 seconds, all right?
Cool.
Next, just separate your tin. There you go. Perfect. Now that these are nice and cold, we're just going to strain our cocktail into these glasses.
You can still see, even with the ice melting, reacting with the absinthe at the bottom.
Yeah, absinthe is what is referred to as hydrophobic, which basically means as soon as water is introduced, the oil starts to release, and that's where you see the kind of this milky white color starting to form, or the green fairy, as legend has it.
Interesting.
All right, so just to finish this cocktail, we're just going to garnish with a orange twist. All we're really looking for is just a small disc of orange. I'm just going to squeeze that on top. And we're all set. Cheers.
Very good. Cheers. It's interesting, you get the anise notes on the nose as you lean into the glass, but the initial drink does have the vanilla, and then you go into the orange and the citrus.
Yeah, there's definitely a progression through the cocktail, and that's that's the sign of a good cocktail, where you can taste all of the ingredients, but not one's overpowering. As you said, it kind of starts with vanilla and then goes into orange and then kind of finishes with the anise. It's a great cocktail. I love this drink.
That's very nice. Well, thank you very much, Mike.
Cheers.
Cheers.